Hi everyone, my name is Anna. I'm one of the lead environmental educators at the Vermont Institute of Natural Science. We do a lot of different things here, including education, research, and avian wildlife rehabilitation. And today I'm excited to be talking to you and showing you a little of the training that we do with our Raptor ambassadors. Many of these birds were born in the wild, and working alongside of human beings can be a new and sometimes kind of scary thing for them. And our goal is to make sure that it's as stress-free and comfortable a endeavor as possible. So through training, we can help these birds learn to be the most comfortable around humans and show you guys a really kind of insider look at how we go about that. This is Hawaii, the peregrine falcon. Hawaii has learned to go into a crate all by himself. This is an especially important behavior for us to have taught because we often take our birds around Vermont and New Hampshire. He's a little bit overeager today. Places where he can't necessarily take himself. He can't drive a van. So our birds have to travel in a crate. And we like to make sure that the birds traveling in the crate, going to the program, meeting all your lovely faces, is their own choice. And so Hawaii knows if he goes into a crate, he's gonna get a treat. And that is good enough for him.
Northfield is our broad-winged hawk who has an injury that prevents him from flying long distances, but it doesn't prevent him from seeing color. So he knows that every single time he touches the green block, he gets a food reward. Now, we've taught him this, that only the green block gives him food. We introduced some other colored blocks. We introduced the red block and the yellow block, but he never gets rewarded when he touches those blocks. So over time, he has grown to recognize that those blocks don't mean anything good, but the green block means he gets food. Now, each time he receives a treat, I will allow him to get back on his perch, and he will allow himself to get back on the perch. So it's important for our birds to be able to do things that are enriching for them. So even though to us this may seem like a very simple equation, touch the green block and get food, to him it's a problem-solving scenario. It's something that's making his brain work and think very hard, how can I receive a treat? What do I have to do in order to receive a food reward? All right, so with broad-winged hawks and with many other hawks, it's very important for them to be able to differentiate their prey, or what they're trying to eat, from foliage, leaves, plant matter that they might be hiding or camouflaging in. So it's important for him to be able to see not only the color green, but the slight difference between the color green of a bullfrog and the color green of a lily pad. We're able to increase the difficulty of this particular training behavior by adding different shades of green. And we have added in different shades of green, darker shades, lighter shades, and we notice that he does sometimes struggle to tell the difference between some of them.
My name is Anastasia, and today I'm here with Chesterland, the Harris's hawk. Now earlier I was teaching you a little bit about target tapping with Northfield and some of the things that you can do with learning that type of technique, and how we can actually apply target tapping to do other behaviors that are really cool for program and also give the bird great exercise. And one of them that I'm going to talk with you now is about our flights. Now Chesterland is trained to fly to these different perches and wait there for more instruction. So when the perch comes into view, he thinks that it's time to fly there. Sometimes we also will point our finger. And right now he's very anxious to come back to my glove, but he has to wait until I give him a cue. Now you might notice, after I gave him the cue, he flew to my glove, and when he landed on my glove, I made this sound, clicking, like that. Now what that does is that actually tells Chesterland he did the right thing, and it is time for a treat. For them to hear that click, It's called a bridge. And what that does is it lets him know that he did the right thing. He's going to receive his treat. It's just going to take a minute or two. Now, it's important for Chesterland to feel comfortable on a variety of different perches. So we do that. We train them to feel comfortable on different perches throughout the room. That is the standing perch, and that is the ghost perch. Now again, he can't fly to me until he's ready, but if he does fly early, he might fly to another perch, or he might fly to my glove and I will still accept him on my glove, I just won't give him a food reward. But he's being very patient and we appreciate that. Now, that perch that he just flew to is our vertical jump perch, and it's really important that we use this one for exercise. Good job, Chesterland. Jumping up high like that takes a lot of energy. It uses all of their muscles, and it's a great form of exercise. Now, you can see from the way that Chesterland is opening his wings and kind of squeaking at me, he's very eager to do so. And he is being very patient waiting for the cue. Sometimes we do these different behaviors to exhibit things that a bird might do in the wild. And birds